Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
I'm extremely happy to launch the first Reliance Digital store in Goa. I hope all the Goan consumers experience and like the store and express their happiness as all other Indians have done across the country. Our core values of a better experience, a great staff who are so knowledgeable about the products, having offers available from EMI to everything under the sun. I think all of that available to the Goan consumers is definitely something new that's going to come in, and we have very, very high hopes. So, throughout the year, you really have great offers always at Reliance Digital. If you look at the latest products, they're also available first at Reliance Digital. But this being a new launch today, there are really good inaugural offers. And you can buy any phone and probably get a TV at 999 rupees. So where in the country do you get TV less than 1,000 rupees? Right? You can buy a TV and you can get a Amazon Echo Dot free. So there are so many good products and so many great offers for these consumers in this Christmas and festival season. As Reliance, we believe on the true potential of India. So we continue to expand into newer territories and also in existing territories wherever we see new opportunities. I think for us to ensure the right consumer experience is available, we require a good, well laid out stores. So this is the first store in Goa, and I'm very, very happy and confident that we're going to have many more in Goa coming in.